What a move gold has given yesterday, hitting the highs at 3500. What a massive reversal it has shown. And today, in the earlier trades, we have seen it moving all the way below 3320 levels. I have repeatedly highlighted the fragility in gold prices and the moment it is showing on the upside. I was totally against it, and still we are against it. Can we say that this is the reversal in gold prices? Can we expect it to trade below 3300, 3200 today? Or this is just a trap, the bear trap here? Can we expect a bounce back? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? See, silver stayed muted, neither it is dropped on the downside, neither it is willing to break beyond 3310. So what is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. First, on the hourly charts, moving average is convergent here. These are on the verge of a crossover. Good sign for the bears out here. Look at the move. It has given a gap down, shown a reversal, then the retracement, and now again trying to reverse. Now it is very, very important for gold to trade below this zone. And if you look at the levels, 3320, 3330 zone. If at all gold trades below 3330, 3320 zone, we can expect more bearishness ahead. I will be looking forward to 3304 and 3284 levels. Yes, if it trades now below 3330, 3320 zone, you can expect a greater correction here. Be mindful of this. Remember, it has delivered $100 of move every day for the last few sessions. We have seen massive rise here. It can erase all the gains in one single candle. But right now it is too early to conclude. This could be one of the bear trap here. It can bounce back sharp again. If you look at the stock, I think this is starting to rise. The MACD is traded sharply bearish now, trying to converge here. No signs of crossover, but yes, a little convergence means a lot. It can scale to the highs here, while the RSI is almost at the bottom. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what it did, it has filled the gap. That is the most important thing, because see, once it leaves this zone, it may not come back to this zone. That is why it is trying to fill the gap, and it has successfully done this. Now trying to reverse. So in fact, even if you see it now trading below 3352 levels, you can take a sell, expect 3340, 3330, 32 zone, and then below 3320 is where we can expect the bears to take over completely. Now notice, this is the zone where we have seen the first bounce back. This could be the second time it may try to retest it, and thus a drop below 3280 is the only 8084 is the only confirmation of further bearishness. What will happen if it trades below 32 8084? It will fall back within this zone, that is 3240, 3200 levels. Let's have a further look. Stochastic oversold here. MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. On the 3 hour charts, when you look now, see, this is what we talked about. First rise, then the retracement support here. Second rise, then the retracement support here. Third rise, and this time it has taken the support from the 50 period moving average. Very important for gold to trade now below 3330, 3320 zone. Only and only if a candle on the 3 hour charts closes below 3330, 3320 zone, we can expect the movement all the way towards 3280. Else it could bounce back, else it could move towards 3400 again. Be mindful of this. Stochastic has dropped to an oversold zone, trying to bounce back. The MACD, after forming triple top, we did talk about this as well, that it is forming triple top, and from here the bottom could be something like this, where the prices are going to dip sharp. Let's wait for this. Right now it is looking downwards. Right now it is trading bearish, and it appears there could be further bearishness here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you can see a resistance from the 20 period average here. Moving averages are still trading with divergence and bullishness. And also notice, very important for gold to trade now again below 3330, 3320 zone, and then towards 3280 till 3280-84. We should not be treating this as bearish. Below 3280-84, it should not be treated bullish. We can look forward to a greater correction all the way towards 3250, 3240, and in fact 3200 levels. See, these are uncertain times. The stronger the rise, the stronger the fall. I have been highlighting this since last couple of sessions as well, that the sharper it rises, the fall has to be equally strong. And see, this is what the demonstration of what did we say. The rise was sharp, the drop is further sharp here. This is what you should notice always. The stochastic oversold. See, the MACD here also forming triple top, crossing over here for sell. certainly a bearish sign. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily. Now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 30-second mentorship batch starting 5th of May. Do not miss to register for it. Reach out to me for your details. Further details, my Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a safe-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the daily charts, I do see this is a swing only. It is still respecting this channel here. Very important for gold to trade below 32.80.84, else as it can bounce back. As long as it respects 32.80.84, we have to be careful. Once it trades below this, where it is going to land? It is going to land towards 3200. Yes, we have seen massive bullishness here, and now possibly this could be the time for gold to start reversing. Rise, retracement, bigger rise, bigger could be the retracement. Here is the zone which it would like to test in the near future, 2900 to 3000 levels possibly. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. The MACD is extremely bullish. And now see, look at the divergence here. Look at the divergence between the red and the blue line. Look at the levels which it is trading. Extremes, these are extremes, and that is why the price was totally vulnerable for a drop here. And that is what has happened, and now we are still looking forward to a further move. Remember, this could be further bigger. Be mindful of this. And now if it stays below 33.52, you can take a sell. Expect 33.40 44 zone first, 33.30 32 second. Then we can expect it to drop below 33.20, the critical level. Below 33.20, stay short for 33.04 and 32.84.80. Any drop below 32.84.80, do not think of buying gold. Yes, we will look forward to 32, 40, 50 first target zone, 3200 the next. On the buy side, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying above 3380 levels. If you see it is staying above 3380, you can buy 8084. Now 3380, 3384 should be a very good resistance on the upside. Beyond this, you can expect 3400 levels. And if 3400 is taken, you can just stay bullish for 34, 16, 18 as the first target zone, 34. 28 30 at the next. Beyond 34 28 30, it is not going to come back down. It is going to rally again, and then we will look forward to 34 50 plus levels. Now remember one thing, as far as my understanding goes and my expectation goes, I do not see gold hitting 3500 in the near term means next few sessions or few weeks. We might not see gold hitting 3500. That is my expectation. I can be completely wrong, and thus you need to be very cautious with this. And remember, again I am saying again, if you see it is staying beyond 34.16.18 or 34.28.30, you can expect that the gold is going to rally again towards 34.50 or in fact higher levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, you can clearly see it is just consolidating in a zone, failing to break below 32, failing to stay above 33.10. This is the zone where it is trying to consolidate, and it's been long since it is staying in the zone. Now let it break either of these levels, either on the upside or on the downside. But yes, one thing is clear, if it trades below 32.40 today, you can expect $32 levels, and if it trades below 32 and 31.80, we can look forward to a greater correction. Look at what is happening after the drop. It is retraced, now trying to reverse again. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still staying on the sell side. RSI looking downwards. On the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation. The drop, the retracement, trying to reverse again. Wait for it to stay below 32.50 levels itself. Then you can expect 32.30 and 32. This time if it trades below 32 and then specifically below 31.80 is where you can say silver is going to crash sharp. Stochastic, if you look at, it is comfortable. The MACD is trading with moderate bearishness. The RSI is trading flat. On the 3-hour charts, you can clearly see, look at the slope here. None of the candles willing to close above 33, and thus 33.10 is the level beyond which you can say now silver is turning bullish. As long as 33.10 is not taken, you should not be entering into a buy position in silver here. Yes, it could bounce back. Remember, silver is consolidated enough, and notice that it's been long that silver has not given a breakout, and gold, while on the other side was trading extremely bullish, Silver restrained, and now while gold is trying to trade bearish, silver might again restrain and can try to bounce back. So there could be a contradictory move here, though largely it is not in favor. Look at the move here, symmetry. So this could almost deliver a symmetry. A drop below 3240 is the confirmation of further bearishness today. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is almost flat. Coming to 4 hour on the 4 hour charts, likewise very important for silver to trade below 3250 3240 zone, and below this you can expect a greater price correction here. Below 32 it is not going to come back up. That is very clear. The moving averages here are trading parallel and are still staying in the buy side. Stochastic flat, the MACD trading bearish here, and the RSI is running flat. Coming to daily chart. Now on the daily charts, notice what it has done. It has shown a reversal, it has bounced back, and now it is forming a flat top. It suggests that from here, if it reverses, it is going to be a stronger one. From here, if the prices drops below 32 3180, you can expect 3140 as the first target, 31 as the next. Yes, the landing could be sharp from here. If it breaks today, if it stays below 32 and 3180, we are not going to see silver coming back up. Why? Notice what has happened. After the drop, the retracement, lower highs means it can form lower lows. Where are the lows for this? The lows are far below 28. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is still in the greener side, and the RSI is running flat. So looking at this, what I will recommend, see, you can buy here at 32.85 levels, expect 33.10 as the first target, very nearby. If it stays above 33.10, then you can stay with the buys, expect 33.40. And if it breaks beyond 33.40 33.50, stay bullish for 34. Though right now it does not appear to be the case. I think it is going to be difficult, but yes, silver is constrained itself. Let's see which direction it gives you a breakout. On the downside, which I think is going to be a more favorable outcome here, you can sell here at 32.50 itself. When you see the higher prices below 32.50, take a sell. Expect 32.30, 32.25 as the first target zone, 32 as the next, and 31.75.80 as the third. If these three levels are taken, silver is not going to come back. We will look forward to 31.40 and then 31. Below 31, it is going to deliver a massive down move all the way towards 30.50 and $30 levels. Keep a note of that. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.